In this video, I'll show you how to edit your Signal profile photo on Android. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen, and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once you've got your Signal app opened, navigate to the top right-hand corner and tap on the three vertical dots. Then tap on Settings. In your settings, tap on your current profile picture, which in my case is the default one that Signal set for me. Once you're in your profile settings, tap on Edit Photo. In here, you have four options. You can use your camera to take a picture and set that as your Signal profile photo. You can browse for a photo in your phone's gallery, or you can use Signal's default text-generated profile photo. Currently, it says JD. If I tap on that, I can change it, for example, to AA, and then I can tap on color and change the color of that. Now, I'm not going to set a text-based Signal profile photo. You also have the option to go with one of these default photos that Signal comes pre-packaged with. So, for example, if I wanted a bird, I could simply tap on that, and I can tap on it again to set the background of that profile photo. I'm going to go back as I'm not going to be rolling with that. I am, however, going to be going with a photo for my gallery, so I'm going to tap on the photo icon. If you haven't given Signal the necessary permissions to access your photo gallery on your phone, then you need to give Signal the necessary permissions. I have given it limited access to my photos and videos, and I'm going to set a photo from my downloads folder on my phone, so I'm going to tap on downloads, and then I'm going to go with this orange background. I'm going to tap on it. You can then adjust the crop if you want, the angle, and other parameters. Now, I'm happy with the current selection. It's that circle part here. This will be my Signal profile photo, so I'm going to tap on the check mark to set it, and then you have more editing options that you can do, such as drawing on the photo, adding text to the photo, or adding a sticker, for example. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to tap on the check mark once again, and then lastly, all you need to do is tap on save. And there we go. The previous JD text-based photo has been replaced by this orange background photo. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to set your Signal profile photo on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?